To enroll the IQ Outdoor Plug, swipe down on the IQ panel screen to reveal the menu. Select Settings, then Advanced Settings, and enter your installer or dealer code. Then choose Installation, Devices, and select Automation. To auto-learn the device, select Auto Learn. Now press and hold both buttons on the top of the IQ Outdoor Plug for around 2 seconds, and let go when the left-sided LED turns solid orange. The PowerG ID appears on the screen automatically. Select OK to continue. Note that the device automatically appears as a light. Now choose a name. In this case, I'll choose a custom name and type IQ Outdoor Plug. Now enter the optional 8-digit PIN code printed on the bottom of the IQ Outdoor Plug. Ensure the PIN code is entered correctly for a correct operation, or leave the PIN code blank. Finally, choose if you want the device LED to turn on when the plug is on. The default position is enabled. Click Pair. Notice how the panel enrolls 2 devices? This is to individually control both outlets. You can go back and edit the device's names. The device with the name you chose is the left-sided outlet. The device with the 2 at the end of the name is the right-sided outlet. Now return home, swipe the screen to reveal the Automation Devices menu, and interact with the IQ Outdoor Plug.